Hey guys, Troy Dooley, MLM Help Desk. We're doing an update. It's the first really update we've done, I think. We may have done one in September on Wow Mobile, Liberty International Inc., Liberty International LLC, aka today, Liberty Freedom Network. Okay, all of it's tied together. All of it, Randy Jeffers, rocking and rolling. I look at Randy as a friend. I think that he's a CEO out there that's trying to change his part of the world. He's trying to take care of his distributors. He's got a great foundation where he tries to take care of kids. I have no problem with Randy Jeffers. My friend Micah Collins over at hbiznews.com did a couple of posts, one lately, where we linked to it, and all of a sudden we're chastised. And people are saying, well, you're linking and giving Micah credibility, and he's reporting erroneous facts, which was not true. Had somebody make fun because he said he used his mother-in-law in his investigation. You know, it's a process of elimination in any investigation, in any niche. And when I look at the way people comment, I smile a little bit. Sometimes I laugh. Because I know that you're excited about Liberty Freedom Network, and I have nothing to say. I've had great posts from some phenomenal distributors over there that are keeping everybody up to date. Randy, for whatever, I'm sure through his attorney, has decided that they don't want to comment, they don't want to talk. Randy's not returned any phone calls in the last 6 months. I respect that. But facts are facts. We're going to allow the facts to be shown. Today we're going to post the actual excuse me, the Liberty International LLC bankruptcy filing. Public information, anybody can get it. In here, what we're showing is that what you guys thought was the truth, that you wanted to slam us on because you said we didn't report the facts right, is actually wrong. See, Liberty International LLC had the contract with T-Mobile. That means that that's the company that was providing the services to Liberty International Inc., not T-Mobile directly. T-Mobile never had a contract with Liberty International Inc., according to this bankruptcy filing. The LLC, the line of sponsorship, is inside of Liberty International Inc. All of the agreements that all the distributors signed would have been with Liberty International Inc. But the question that arises through all of this, and this was the frustration that started these current posts, was former distributors, aka preferred customers, aka those people that bought phones, those people that were on the services. They want to know, do we have a rightful claim for a refund to Liberty International LLC? And if we do, then we want to put our claim in there. If the company goes bankrupt and they're owed a claim, they want to be able to show documentation of that. It's good for tax purposes, if nothing else. However, at the same time, because their agreements were through Liberty International Inc., if a bankruptcy trustee says, no, you don't have a right to make a claim, you don't have a right, you can't sue T-Mobile, but you can still go after Liberty International Inc., then they know that that's where they need to get their claim from. Randy's been very clear. He said, I will repay. I'm going to look at all the valid claims. It takes a long time. We're going to be suing T-Mobile. Obviously, they're not suing T-Mobile. That could have been hype in order to get through this bankruptcy. Now, that doesn't mean Randy may not have to sue T-Mobile. See, here's what you've got to look at. None of us have seen the agreement with T-Mobile. We don't know if Randy had to personally guarantee this. I can tell you that LLCs are pass-through entities like S corporations. So there is a possibility that T-Mobile would look at this and say $1.9 million is worth suing Randy Jeffers personally for. Or if they look at Liberty International Inc. and see that the assets are there, they may decide they want to sue them. There's all kinds of what-ifs. It's a legal maneuver. All this stuff is. We don't know. My only concern is that distributors understand exactly how and why we report what we do, and that when we see something like this, that we allow the questions to be asked. Some of you have tried to come on here and say, well, you could be held liable for slander and all this. You should never speak out of turn. If you think that we're just typical people that go out here and slap a blog together, you should do some due diligence your own self. In this case here, the questions have to be asked. Once the evidence, once a judicial system decides on yes, everything's kosher, or no, there was maybe the intent of something, or no, this was a no intent, but it is wrong. then we report on that. If it's shown that's not, then you know what we're going to do? We're going to be reporting on that. Hey, everything's cool. Sorry, guys, you don't get your money over here. This one's bankrupt, but keep your eyes over here, and you move forward. My thing to say, for no matter what it is, no matter what niche, you need to be building your business. Okay? It's a matter of whatever you decide to do, go build it, and go build it right. Go make your family happy. Go build something. Be that. If you love Liberty Freedom Network, which I don't see no reason. I've never seen a product come from Andy Jeffers that I didn't like. I've never had problems with cell phones, never had problems with a VoIP phone. I've used the vitamins, the aloe juice, all that stuff, toothpaste. Never had a problem with it, okay, at all. Sometimes I question that compensation. It's a little high. I think that times have changed. I don't want to see this company go through what Fortune High Tech is going through right now. But that's between him and his attorneys and whatever they decide to do. But folks, you should read this bankruptcy filing so that you understand that what Micah Collins posted was accurate. Yes, he put opinion in there. That's his right. But the actual facts that he reported on were accurate based on this bankruptcy filing. Live life like it's an epic adventure. We'll see you at the top.